In this video, we are going to install this 4-channel dashcam provided by Azdome for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Here we have your front dash cam with an adhesive mount which sticks to your windshield, adjustable front camera which records up to 4K at 30 frames per second with a wide angle view of 120 degrees. After you mount the camera, it is detachable. 3-inch IPS screen with 4 display modes. Here we have your quick buttons. You have your power, up, down, menu and mode, and your OK button. Status indicator light is up here. You have your speaker, and here is your microphone. On the sides, you have Type-C USB ports. This is where you plug your left camera and your right camera. You have adjustable left and right cameras, which record at 1080p with a wide angle view of 150 degrees. The left and right camera have 6 IR LEDs each, great for low light conditions. On top is where you plug in your rear camera. You have your reset button and a USB-C power port. This unit has a built-in supercapacitor. It also has a 1 milliamp lithium-ion battery, only used for memory. We have your rear camera, which is adjustable, records at 1080p with a wide angle view of 150 degrees. This unit has an embedded 128 gig multimedia card, which has fast speeds, a 12-foot rear camera cable, a 12-foot USB-C power cable, USB-C data cable, your 12-volt plug adapter with dual ports, a spare adhesive, your trim tool with some wire cabling management clips, 2 electrostatic films, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. We're going to go ahead and install the rear camera. You find where you want to mount your rear camera and remove the adhesive and then press firmly. Then you can adjust your camera accordingly. The wire here, I'm going to go ahead and pull this panel out and tuck the wire under. Pop the panel back in. Then we're going to go ahead and run your rear camera cable. We have this here. We're going to go ahead and plug that in. We're going to temporarily run it to the front so we know how much access we have. So we'll do a mock-up run. As you can see, I ran the wire from the front where I plan on mounting the front camera all the way over here up to here with all the excess wiring here. I'm going to go ahead and bundle this, hide it under this panel, and just tuck all the wires in. To hide the wire, you simply take your trim tool and just tuck everything in nicely. And just work your way to the front. Then we take your front camera. I've decided to mount it right in this area. So you remove the protective covering, align it to where you want to mount it, and then press firmly. Then we go ahead and connect your rear camera. Next, we're going to go ahead and plug in the power supply. Instead of using the connected power supply and hiding more wires, I'm going to connect to this power supply, which gets its source from the rear view mirror. If you're interested in a product like this, I'll leave the product link in the description below. All we have to do is plug in your USB-C, hide some more wiring, and plug it in. Now let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. Takes you to your initial setup. We're gonna hit OK for English. Select your time zone. And then you're gonna go ahead and format.
Recording started.
And you're all ready to go. So from here, you press this button to access the menu.
Recording stopped.
Then you can go through your settings. For easier access, we're gonna go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi and go through the settings via app. Now we're gonna connect to your M660. And now you're connected. On the bottom left side is your Dashcam albums. You have to stop your recording first.
Recording stopped.
Then you can gain access to your albums. This is where all your files are stored and where you can download the video. You just click on any video you want. And on the bottom here, you can download it or you can delete it. You can turn on and off your audio recording from here. You can switch your cameras. Right now we have all the lens going on. You can just have your front camera as the default. Just the rear. Right now it's upside down. We'll go ahead and correct that later. Left camera. And your right camera. And on the bottom right, you can change your resolutions. So to get to your settings menu on the top right corner, you want to hit that gear, and now you have your general settings. Your video resolution, you can choose. Right now we're at 1440p, 1080p, 1080p, and 1080p. 1440 is your front camera. You have loop recording. This function enables continuous recording on the Dashcam. When the memory card becomes full, the Dashcam will automatically delete the oldest file. You can have it record in 1 minute intervals, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. You can turn on and off your WDR, which is wide dynamic range, that processes images to ensure clear recordings in bright and dark light. You can turn on and off your audio. You have your G sensor sensitivity. Right now is set default at medium. This is your impact gravitational accelerometer. You can change languages, multiple languages to choose from. You have format reminding. It reminds you to format your SD card. You can turn off that reminder, have it remind you in 15 days, 30 days, or 60 days. You can change your speed unit, kilometers per hour or miles per hour. Date time format. You can change your time zone depending on where you stay. You have voice control. You can turn that on or off. And right below that are your voice commands. These are the commands you can use. Scroll down some more. You can turn on and off your GPS. Right here we have mirror your rear camera. Right now we want to flip it because as you remember it was upside down, so we're going to do a vertical flip. Left camera, you can mirror that. And you can also rotate your left camera. This flips it upside down. And same for the right camera. You can mirror it or you can rotate it. Here we have PIP, which is picture in picture. Right now we are showing all 4 lenses. You can have it just show the front, just the rear, left, right, or all of them at the same time. You can adjust your volume. Right now it's set to medium. And your frequency depending on which country you're in. Your video stamps. On the video, you can have it stamp the date and time. We're going to go into your system settings. You have synchronized time. You have your card information. This is where you can format your internal SD card. This here is your Wi-Fi information. You can set everything back to default settings. And we have your firmware version.
If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.